Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours, where we can easily see Litecoin get above the $90 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding above a key area of support at around the $82.65 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. Litecoin has also continued to obey the ETH12 structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this retarget area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and we can easily see a reaction of the target area and see a massive turnaround to the upper side and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after Litecoin gave us a low on the 14th of June, giving us a low at around the $70.73 mark, and afterwards we started gearing up impulsively, where we picked in a 5-wave structure, where you can see that on the chart I'm terming this as the formation of that wave 1, then we saw a wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 gave us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger ETH12 count 1 before we started the breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And the minimum target areas for the second wave, I came up with them by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $150.67 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. And zooming in on the charts to also give you the short-term target areas that we need to keep our eyes on in case Litecoin is going to continue gearing up, continue seeing a lot of buying momentum here on the charts. We can easily see Litecoin get to the next key area of resistance at around the $91.35 mark, and at that key area of resistance we can either get rejected and see another pullback to the lower side, and if we have enough buying momentum we can easily see a break above that key area of resistance, get a successful retest, and then continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And that is what we need to keep our eyes on the short term once we continue gearing up here on the charts. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI we are trading at around the 57 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, also fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.